Oh, yeah, yeah. Animal House. Come on. Woo!
Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in to my channel. Right now I'm starting off with freshly deep conditioned hair. I just let it air dry for a little bit, for about an hour, and I'm just gonna take these little so-called Bantu knots down, and I'm gonna be blow drying my hair. I'm not very good at blow drying my hair. I feel like I could get more length if I were to go to someone professional, but I am stubborn. So I'm gonna do it myself. Right now I have hot oil. This is olive oil, only because my scalp was very dry and it was very itchy, and I don't normally do this, but I took this hot oil and I just rubbed it on each section of my scalp just so that my hair wouldn't be itchy for the next few days. It really helps me out to put warm oil on my scalp. After I did that to each section, I did damp my hair a little bit with some hot water to open up my cuticles, and I applied some of this Shea. It's some heat protectant. I just spray it one time on each section of my hair, and I try to stretch it out a little bit, and I do this to just stay away from damaging my hair with this heat. I do not put it on high heat. I do put it on warm setting. High, warm setting. So yeah, and I'm not very a pro at this. I really don't think that I even get much volume doing it myself, but like I said, I'm stubborn and I didn't want my hair to look so shrunken tomorrow, so I decided to just use this hair blow dryer that I have. And right now I'm getting ready to take each section of my hair and separate it. So I have a total of 4 sections in the back, and I split each section in half. I apply this leave-in conditioner from True by Made Beautiful. It's a nourishing leave-in conditioner made with shea, honey, coconut, and mango. It was only $5 at the Family Dollar. I had to get it. It says it's to detangle and moisturize, and it's for all hair types, which is crazy, but it smells very good. It's lightweight, which I like. And then after doing that, I applied my hydrating hair butter from the same company, True. I got this for $6 at the Family Dollar, and it's very hydrating. This is like my 3rd time using it. It's said to hydrate and define, and it's for curly, coily, and 3C and 4BC hair. So I just braid my hair up after applying that to each section of my hair. I'm braiding my hair down, and once I get to the end, I take some more of the hair butter and I just twist it around the ends of my hair, and then I take that warm oil and I apply that at the end of my hair also, just so I'm guaranteed moisture at the end of my roots, because that is the oldest part of your hair. So you want to make sure that you always keep it moisturized to prevent breakage and everything else that comes with dry hair. So now that I'm on my last section, I'm just going to finish braiding it. I'm going to apply the hair butter to the end of my hair, twirl it around my finger, and I'm going to apply the hot oil and do the same thing. I had a lot of hot oil left over, and I decided to just rub it all over my hair, especially my edges, so they can get a little TLC, you know what I mean. And right now I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm going to put it on cool settings just so I can close my cuticles. I then pin each braid, pin it up, and then I go to bed, and I will show you guys what it looks like the next day. So right now I'm just separating and fluffing my hair. I really was fixated on definition, but the more I went on, I was just like, you know what? I want big hair. That's what I blew my hair out for. So I'm going back in with my white tooth comb and I am pulling my strands and I am stretching them with my white tooth comb just so I can get volume because the definition wasn't that great today. So I was like, you know what, let's go big, go big or go home. And that's what I'm doing. I'm going big and I'm gonna continue fluffing out my hair just so I can get the max volume. And I still got definition, so it's not just like a big old crusty afro. It's very cute and I was very pleased with this product, you guys. It's true, made by Believe, beautiful. Yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Please come back for more videos. Have a nice day.